towards the end of the day, and I would like to once again request Dr. Sunil Kumar Verma, the convener of today's important workshop, to give his closing remarks.
I will not take much time now, but I must say, because this program could have not been possible without the help of so many people. So there is a big team of the people who are behind this. So first of all, I would like to thank all of you. You are here since morning, attending all the sessions so patiently, carefully, and with lots of focus. Thank you so much. Thanks to all the invited speakers, our guest of honor, Professor Martin, who came all the way from Germany. Our Professor Dr. Sarkar, who came from Chennai. It is much difficult to come from Chennai these days. Professor Dr. Subbiah, he is one of the most busiest doctor in the city. I must tell you, probably you know this already, Dr. Subbiah is #1 spine surgeon in the country. And he is sparing his precious time with us. That is a great honor for us, all of us, and we must thank you. Thank you, Dr. I must thank you the scientist, Dr. Ramakrishna from IICT, very senior person, and he just kept my words and he accepted my request to be one of the speakers in this workshop for our youngsters. Thank you, sir. I thank Aditi, and who also not only DAD not only funded this workshop, but they also shared one of their expert opinions and expert view and advices for you, so that you could make your better career. So from the core of my heart, thanks to DAD, thanks Aditi for sponsoring this event. And I would like to extend my thanks to each and everyone whose names even if I want to take, but I may not. See this hall, since morning we are sitting here, air condition is working, lights are on, they switch off without me saying anything. Whenever there is a lecture, they switch on when they are supposed to be switched on. And these things are not happening by robots, people are working behind. So all of them, I just want to say thanks to them. Thank you very much. Thank you. Who did not know how many people will come, because this was an open conference. Alright, all of you know, we did not charge any money for it. There was no registration fee, right? So that is one of the factors our youngster can attend, because money is some problem, it can be a limiting factor sometimes. In a conferences and workshop and sessions of DAD, it's a good thing, there are no fee most of the time. I think all the time, if I'm right. And therefore, the registrations were open. So we did not know how many people will come. Sometimes we have 5,000 registration and only 50 people come. So let me tell you, we had 560 registration and we are 310 in this hall. So this is a very good ratio. And these 560, I'm sure, out of these 560, some 160 were from other cities and they already wrote that we cannot come and we will attend online. So anyone who registered, they came here. Thanks to all of you. To them who have filled their form and submitted for the certificates, you will get your forms, your certificates. So, not forms. You will get your certificates, but because we have to close everything, so maybe it will take maximum a week, but it will come to you at your email address. If you don't receive this certificate, you can directly write to me. I'm sure all of you know my email address. Right, good. So this is about certificate. Coming to the online, video on demand system. We tried a lot, but it could not go live. Still we are not prepared for digital India. Internet, we need internet. I cannot make internet standing here, right? So it did not work, but every single lecture is recorded, it is in full HD quality. And the video on demand system will be up, if not in 2 days, but within a week. So your friends, you can see and review all the talks which you have attended here. And I have taken permission from the invited speakers well in advance to do this. Yes. Thank you so much. finally, my thanks to all of them whom I might have forgotten. And there is a very important gang of the scholars. If I don't thank them, it will be actually not good. You see all these people in white t-shirt? Many of them just wearing these t-shirts over their shirts, like Phantom. So they became Phantom for you today, because they wanted this program to go in a very smooth way. All of them are great scholars, toppers in their classes. Some of them are going abroad. And I requested them, and they are here to serve us. So thank you all of you. Thanks to them who came all the way from far away. Some of the audience, some of the participants here, they are not from Hyderabad. One scientist I can see, he came all the way from CMAP Lucknow to attend. So, thank you to them, whom I may not know who they are, but some people came from very far away. Thank you very much. Thanks to Sophia, who was the anchor for today's program, and thanks to the little participant of today's conference, Princess. She is also a registered participant, and she also asked me a question, very good question. Alright? And I hope that she will be inspired from the discussions which we had been doing here, and she had witnessed that. So with these words, I just close this workshop, and I thank one and all. Thank you very much.